right, a Waterbury man is taking over the streets for a good cause after our recent blizzard covered several areas and left no room to walk.
Fox 61's Valerie Moravi shares how he's helping his neighbors.
Francisco Ramos says he had no choice but to take a shovel and start digging to make sure his community has access to a clean sidewalk. As the recent storm dropped several inches of snow across the state, it left many roads and sidewalks difficult to navigate, including in Waterbury.
That should be good.
And Francisco Ramos stepped up to make life a little easier for his neighbors, one shovel at a time.
But they say that's the city or whoever owns that property, their responsibility. But it's like even like from the first half of the blizzard, 2 weeks after, and a lot of these hydrants are not clear. So I decided to go support my local fire department and clean out some of these fire hydrants. Because again, that's back to safety. Safety is the #1 priority.
He volunteers his time and equipment to plow snow from driveways, sidewalks, and bus stops.
Senior citizens and the elderly, people got walkers, canes, not everyone can stand on their 2 feet. But for those that can keep mobilizing still, God bless them.
With the sole purpose of looking after the city that watch him grow.
Because also, like hundreds of people go through here, we really need to make sure people are safe and have enough space in between.
He says the challenging conditions take him up to 8 hours to finish cleaning several areas. He says he doesn't expect anything in return and hopes to pass the torch to the next generation.
That's why I volunteered to shovel out the fire hydrants, which is part of my motive of being safe for the citizens of Waterbury.
Now, we reached out to the city of Waterbury, but we have not heard back. In the meantime, Ramos says he plans to continue to help out where he's needed. Reporting in Waterbury, Valerie Moravi, Fox 61.